Chinese cabbage is a common vegetable on our dining table. Not only does it have a delicious taste, but it is also a nutritionally rich green treasure trove. Whether stir-fried, stewed, or pickled, Chinese cabbage can win people's favor with its unique flavor and nutritional value. Chinese cabbage belongs to the cruciferous family of vegetables and comes in a wide variety. Due to its cold resistance and storage capabilities, it has become an important member of the winter vegetable market. Chinese cabbage not only tastes delicious, but it is also rich in various nutrients that are beneficial to human health. First, the nutritional value of Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage has the effect of beautifying the skin. This is because Chinese cabbage is rich in water and vitamins. It also contains a certain amount of vitamin A, vitamin E, etc. Chinese cabbage has a high water content of about 95%, but a low calorie content. It can not only replenish the water lost by the body, but also the vitamins contained in Chinese cabbage play a role in maintaining skin health, preventing skin pigmentation, and having effects such as skin care and beauty. At the same time, it plays an important role in promoting the development of vision. Chinese cabbage can improve the body's immunity. Chinese cabbage leaves are rich in nutrients such as vitamins, riboflavin, minerals, and carbohydrates. They are an excellent source of vitamin C. Every 100 grams of Chinese cabbage contains about 30 milligrams of vitamin C. The content of vitamin C and riboflavin is 5 times and 3 times higher than apples and pears, respectively, which helps enhance immunity and prevent colds. Chinese cabbage can nourish the stomach and promote saliva production. Chinese cabbage contains carbohydrates, proteins, and carotene. The concentration of carotene in the green outer leaves of Chinese cabbage is more than 10 times higher than in the central white leaves. It has the effect of nourishing the stomach or promoting saliva production, clearing heat, and removing laxation. Pound Chinese cabbage to extract juice and mix it with lily bulbs and Amphiophagon japonicus to boiling water. It has a curative effect on stomach pain caused by deficiency of stomach yin. Chinese cabbage also helps with fat reduction and weight loss. Chinese cabbage leaves are rich in dietary fiber, which is a low-fat, low-calorie food with a high water content. Regular consumption can accelerate metabolism, promote gastrointestinal motility, prevent constipation and subcutaneous fat accumulation, help lubricate the intestines and relieve constipation, and increase satiety. It can reduce the intake of other staple foods and is an economical and practical food for weight loss. At the same time, it can assist in improving the symptoms of constipation. Chinese cabbage has some heat-clearing and detoxifying effects. Chinese cabbage is cold in nature and sweet in taste. It is suitable for patients with thirst, fever, cough due to flame heat, and when heat cold. Chinese cabbage can lubricate the intestines and relieve constipation. Chinese cabbage has a water content of about 95% and is rich in dietary fiber. Eating Chinese cabbage can stimulate gastrointestinal motility, aid digestion, and promote the excretion of waste in the intestine, helping to prevent constipation. Chinese cabbage contains quality minerals. Chinese cabbage contains minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. Among them, every 100 of Chinese cabbage contains 43 毫克 of calcium. Calcium can be supplemented through the consumption of Chinese cabbage. These minerals play an indispensable role in bone health, blood circulation, and immune function. The high content of calcium is especially active in preventing osteoporosis. Dietary fiber in Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage contains a large amount of dietary fiber, which can promote intestinal motility, aid digestion, and prevent constipation. At the same time, dietary fiber can also absorb harmful substances in the intestine, reducing the risk of intestinal diseases. Antioxidants in Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage contains various antioxidants such as flavonoids and anthocyanins. These substances can eliminate free radicals in the body, delay cell aging, and prevent the occurrence of various chronic diseases. The content of trace element zinc is higher than meat, and it contains molybdenum that can inhibit the absorption of nitrite. Pure food, though beneficial to the body, cannot be used to treat diseases. Seek medical advice for treatment if discomfort occurs. Second, precautions for eating Chinese cabbage. Although Chinese cabbage is rich in nutrition, it should be eaten in moderation. Eating too much may lead to excessive intake of dietary fiber, causing diarrhea and other discomforts. People with K deficiency and stomach cold should not eat too much Chinese cabbage and avoid cold food. In addition, Chinese cabbage is rich in fiber, which has the effect of relieving constipation. Therefore, people with diarrhea and cold diarrhea should eat less. Chinese cabbage should not be eaten with bamboo shoots, eel and cold meat. If eaten with cold food, it may cause diarrhea and vomiting. Bamboo shoots also have the effect of cooling and relieving heat, so they should not be eaten with cabbage and other cold food. Eating them together may cause discomfort. Eel meat tastes sweet and warm, nourishing the middle and nourishing the blood. However, Chinese cabbage is slightly cold in nature and has the effect of clearing heat and eliminating vexation. Eating a large amount of it together may cause food poisoning. Chinese cabbage is easy to get damp and rot. It should be eaten as soon as possible after purchase or properly stored. Chinese cabbage can be stored in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. Even though Chinese cabbage has many benefits, the amount of nutrients such as chlorophyll is far lower than that of green leafy vegetables. Different vegetables have their own advantages, and eating them together is more in line with the principle of nutritional balance. Third, how to eat cabbage more healthily. As a common household vegetable, Chinese cabbage can be eaten raw or cooked. Raw Chinese cabbage can be used to make mixed dishes, pickles, pickled dishes, salads, etc. Cooked Chinese cabbage can be stir-fried, grilled, stewed, made into soup, filling, etc. However, it should be noted that when cutting Chinese cabbage, it is better to cut it along the veins so that it cooks easily. Chinese cabbage should be washed before cutting, because vitamins C and other nutrients in Chinese cabbage are easily soluble in water. If washed after cutting, nutrients are easily lost. In addition, Chinese cabbage is suitable to be stewed with meat, because Chinese cabbage contains more vitamins. Eating it with meat can not only enhance the delicious taste of meat, but also reduce nitrite and nitrite-like substances in meat, reducing the production of carcinogenic nitrosamines. Fourth, tips for buying cabbage. When selecting Chinese cabbage, you can observe whether the Chinese cabbage leaves are fresh and tender green. The stem is white, tightly wrapped, firm, and free of pests and diseases. It is also necessary to pay attention to whether the appearance is dry, firm, and heavy. You can also slightly break the leaves and listen to whether the sun is crisp, indicating that the leaves are full of water, close to the harvesting time, and relatively fresh. When selecting, you can open a few leaves to see if there are black spots. If there are, it is not suitable for purchase, because Chinese cabbage is wrapped layer by layer. It is sometimes difficult to distinguish good and bad from the appearance. Before purchasing, you can pick it up and smell it. If the smell is bad or rotten, it indicates that the inner layer of Chinese cabbage has been affected by black rot. This situation often occurs during seasonal changes.